This is me, absolutely bawling my eyes out because I have to go to work the next day, that I have no freedom in my life, that my dad has to work 2 jobs even though he's nearly done with his life, and I've not achieved any of my dreams I've had as a kid. I've always wanted to grow up and be a YouTuber, to make money making videos I love, but that dream never seemed to become a reality, and I think I know why. This is what my average day looks like 5 days of the week. So I wake up tired, sleep deprived, depressed, I go and brush my teeth quickly, then I go put on my clothes for work, the same clothes that I've been wearing for the past 3 days. Then I leave straight for work. I get stuck in a lot of traffic in the morning and get some road rage, and then I make it 5 minutes before my shift starts. I work at a second-hand retro store and I like the job itself and the people are actually cool most of the times, but I just want more from life. I'm terrified of living in the rat race where people survive till the weekend and are stuck in this constant everlasting loop of the 9 to 5. I have one life and I want to make the most out of it. I want to enjoy the luxuries of the world, the blessings, the supercars, which I can't if I'm content in the position I'm in. I've always wanted to be rich since high school, and luckily for me, my parents have been a big part of keeping that dream alive. So it's my duty to make it happen. 5 of the 7 days of my week look the exact same, where I'm working hard, but it's not towards something that will turn my dreams into a reality. It's not something that will bring me freedom for myself and my dad and my mom. It's not something that will make me hundreds and thousands of dollars. It's towards some pocket change at the end of the week for spending 50 hours of my week only to get a few $100s in my bank account. I knew this is not the life I want to live. I want more than just a few $100s in my bank account every week. I want to see my parents live in freedom. I want to drive fast cars. I want to help build churches in my city. I knew that something had to change. I don't want to work a job because no matter how hard I work, my pay at the end of the week still stays the same, and my income is dependent on my time, which is limited.
I want to work on my business, but I just don't get the time to because I'm working 8 to 10 hours a day here. Literally 8 hours in the work and 2 hours of transport, getting ready, mentally preparing. It's not possible. So yeah, I can't put in enough time that I need to put in for the business. It's literally not possible running a business while doing 9 to 5 and doing bodybuilding and like lifting weights and stuff. It's not possible.
But anyways, back to reality. So I get off work, hit the gym quickly. It's currently around 7 p.m. I'm gonna do 2 hours of my business work. I'm super tired and exhausted, but I'm gonna try and make it happen. Bro, there's people out there, literally people my age, who are making so much money. They're making like $20,000, $100,000 a month, working less hours than me, doing stuff that they enjoy, and I'm over here doing this. How, man? There's people playing video games and making so much money, and I'm sitting here working this shit job. I'm so sick of this life, man. I can't do it. I don't have any time or energy to do anything. I can't do it. I'm never gonna make it, man. This cycle continues on until today. Alright boys, I'm on my way. I'm gonna go tell the boss that I'm done. I'm kind of nervous, but at the same time it's like I need to take the leap, you know, because it's a risk that I'm gonna cut down my freaking income to go and, you know, pursue business. So I'm kind of scared, but at the same time I'm not, because I know this is the risk that it's gonna take for me to make it, and I'm willing to give up anything that I have to make it because it means that much to me. So let's not be pussies about this. Let's go and make history. Let's do it. I gotta talk to you about something.
Yeah, what's up?
So basically, I wanted to put my notice in.
Why? Do you not like it here? What's wrong?
Nah, it's just because I don't feel like this is the path I want to take.
Yeah. Bruh.
Bruh, this is what real freedom looks like. I'm just sitting here. Shut the f. So yeah, I've quit my job. I'm really excited for this monk mode period that I'm gonna go through, and you know what? This is gonna be the happiest time of my life because I did this previously and I walked out with 40,000 followers and 20K in my bank account, and now I'm gonna be doing this monk mode again, and I don't know what I'm gonna walk out with this time. Hopefully 10K a month and 100,000 followers, you never know. But this is gonna be the happiest period of my life because I love freedom, I love peace, I love working. You know, I'm like an ambitious guy. I love working towards my goals and stuff. And this is like happiness to me, man. I've cut off all the girls that I was talking to. First of all, the girls that I was talking to, I know I can pull even hotter. So it's like, it wasn't a big challenge anyways. But yeah, for the next 4 months, I'm not gonna speak to any girls, not get involved with any sort of distractions, no partying. I never did partying, I never did drugs, I never did alcohol. Just pure focus. So just wake up, work on my business, eat food, hit the gym, master my body, and then pray to God and get closer to him. So it's just 3 things: work, gym, and God. Those are the only 3 things I'm going to focus on. No distractions. I'm not open to anyone. Even if I find the perfect one, I'm going to say no. Nothing distracting me for the next 4 months. And it's beautiful. It's beautiful because I've done it before. I know I'm capable of doing that. And yeah, I'm just excited, man, because these are the happiest moments of my life where I just focus and achieve something in life. And I can look back and just reminiscence on these calm, quiet, you know, simple days where it's just me by myself and God, man. But yeah, currently, let's just say I'm making around $1,000 per month for my business. Let's just say I want to 10x that at the end of this monk mode journey, 4-6 months. I want to 10x that, so make 10K per month. I'm doing YouTube. I run 3 YouTube channels. I run a TikTok account and I run a coaching business. So all of them work together. So I really hope to put in 14-hour days. This is my life, man. This is what it's come to. I love this peace life where there's no distractions, where I wake up, just grind, and then I come down here to relax and just like, you know, get my thoughts in play. I love this like simple life. I love the simple life. I have saved every penny I've made from this job, and now I have 6 months to succeed in my business, or else I have to return back to the job. But that's not scary to me, as I've been working on myself for the past few years, and I've developed myself into a man that can achieve anything he's put his mind to. I'm grateful for this opportunity because I can actually see if I'm worthy of becoming successful, and that I get to chase my dreams. So yeah, for the next 6 months, I'll be locking myself in my room and just working. I've sacrificed my weekly paycheck for the bigger picture, and now it's my time to lock in and make it a reality. Everyone who's ever made it big has had sacrifices they have to make along the way. Mine starts now. This is going to be a long battle for the next 6 months. If you want to follow along the journey, subscribe now and let's do this together.